Hello and welcome to your ScheduleOne tutorial presented by MeetingOne University. ScheduleOne is an Outlook plugin that gives you a way to make scheduling your meetings as simple as the click of a button. To access your ScheduleOne, you will open your Outlook, followed by MeetingOne ScheduleOne. Here you will see two invitations as well as advanced features. First, you have new web meetings. New Web Meeting creates a new Adobe Connect based meeting invitation using the default room selected in the Web Room dropdown, which we'll look at in a second. New Audio Meeting creates a new audio-only meeting invite using the default room selected in the Audio Room dropdown control, which we will check out in just a second. If I click on Advanced Features, here's the standard room actions. Here are your Adobe Connect web rooms and your audio rooms. This is where your new web meeting and new audio meeting obtain their information. From ScheduleOne, you can open your Adobe Connect room simply by clicking on Open in Web Meeting. Again, clicking the Open Web Room Meeting will use the drop-downs that were shown previously. So this is going to open my meeting room with an Adobe Connect from a single click. I can also open an audio-only meeting by selecting Open Audio Meeting. It will choose from my audio room that I have listed, and I will open my audio meeting and click in Meet. I can also choose Start Adobe Connect. So this is going to open directly into the back end of Adobe Connect, Adobe Connect Central, so I can create a meeting room, perform administrative functions, or any other work that requires access to Adobe Connect Central. I can click on Account Settings and manage my invitations. So if I want to edit what the new web meeting invitation or the new audio meeting invitation looks like, I can just select to add an invite, or I can edit an existing one. If I add a new one, I can choose to name the invitation, give the invitation a description, have the invitation pull information from the meeting rooms by using these dynamic values. Here, it's pulling the web room URL. I can also paste any of these dynamic values anywhere in my invitation, and the invitation will automatically pull them from your meeting room. Can use all of these tools to customize my invitation, followed by Save and Close. Once I've created my invitation, I can hit Save and Close, go back to Account Settings. I can go to my Room Invite Template Association, and I can associate that new invitation with a specific meeting room. Here, if I have this room that I want to use a different template, I can click on my drop down and select a different template from my list and Save and Close. Once I've changed my web room and I select New Web Meeting, that will give me the invitation that I created for that specific room. Back in Account Settings, you can edit a template that you've created, but you cannot change the default templates. The Synchronize Accounts button just synchronizes your Outlook with your Adobe Connect, as well as your MeetingOne audio. You can also access the MeetingOne ScheduleOne buttons from other places within your Outlook. From your Home tab, you can do a new meeting invitation. From a standard appointment, you can click on the MeetingOne ScheduleOne tab, followed by Paste Web Meeting or Paste Audio Meeting. And that concludes our ScheduleOne tutorial. For more information, please visit us at meetingone.com/support.